Those moments when you're scrolling through Instagram and all you see are those flawless models flaunting their perfectly styled hair. Admit it, we've all been there, right? Dreaming of having hair that looks just as amazing. Forget about chasing unrealistic beauty standards. It's time to celebrate the unique beauty of your hair and set goals that are exciting, achievable, and oh so rewarding. And these are some tips to embark on your hair doing journey. Tip number 1. Scalp Nirvana. Begin your journey by treating your scalp to some well-deserved TLC. Picture yourself indulging in a rejuvenating scalp massage as you wash away impurities and revitalize your follicles for hair that's full of life and vitality. Tip number 2. Moisture Miracle. Next up, it's all about indulging your strands with a nourishing feast of moisture. Our deep conditioning treatments are like a spa day for your hair, infusing it with essential nutrients and hydration, leaving it feeling soft, silky, and utterly pampered. Tip number 3. Tangle-free tresses. Say goodbye to knots and tangles with our expert tips and tricks for gentle detangling. Smooth, manageable hair is just a comb away, ensuring your styling process is effortless and stress-free. Tip number 4. Stylist's touch. Ready for a fresh new look? Step into our salon and let our talented stylists work their magic. Whether you're craving a subtle trim to maintain your current style or a bold new transformation, we'll sculpt your locks into a masterpiece that's sure to turn heads and boost your confidence. Tip number 5. Heat Protectant Heroes. And for those
What the
moments when you want
dog
to turn up
doing?
the heat, we've got you covered with our range of heat protectant sprays and serums. Shield your precious strands from the damaging effects of heat styling, allowing you to rock those stunning styles without compromise. Tip number 6. Embrace your unique texture. Whether you're flaunting luscious curls, sleek straight locks, or anything in between, remember, your hair is your crowning glory and it deserves to shine. Embrace your unique texture and let your true beauty radiate from within. Tip number 7. Consistent care. Consistency is key to achieving your hair goals. Commit to following a regular hair care routine tailored to your hair type and needs. Consistent care will help maintain the health and vitality of your locks, ensuring they look their best every day. And that's it, princes. Remember, whether it's a good hair day or a bad hair day, you're fabulous just the way you are. Embrace the journey and keep shining. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.